Behind me, we have one of the biggest homes I've ever seen with this beautiful Mediterranean style exterior, and it gets even better when you come inside. Let's check it out. Now, first of all, you have a 3-car garage, and take a look at the exterior. You don't find exteriors like this often here in Texas, giving into that Mediterranean style over the traditional style. You have an abundance of greenery here in the front, and take a look at those jasmine balconies on the exterior. You have the double door, and what's very beneficial about the double door is that it makes moving easier. It allows you to fit those big furnitures that you would usually struggle through only one door, making it very easy when those both doors are open. Now, stepping inside, take a look at your foyer, making a great first impression onto any guests or family members that you may be inviting for the first time over. And off to the left, you do have your formal dining room with this elegant black and bronze chandelier, these arched windows that come very low, which really gives it a different feel from those standard windows that are around hip level. And on the other side, across from the formal dining room, we do have this massive open room that you could use as a home office, a lounge area, even a library. If you add some custom cabinets, you do have natural light in here with more arched windows and plenty of outlets there. A spiral staircase. They don't have any carpet on the steps, and it doesn't have that much of a spiral, so it kind of feels a bit more open here. You do have a powder room here before we enter the great room and take a look at all this. I remember I first walked in a couple minutes ago and I was absolutely blown away by how beautiful it is on both the exterior and interior of the home. They made very good use of all this space here in the kitchen. You have additional shelving space on both sides of your huge prep island, bar stool space all around, and floor to ceiling two-toned sleek cabinets. You have some white and some beige / gray tones, and this backsplash going all throughout. I really love these sleek cabinets over the standard. They just really make the kitchen feel very modern. And here you see, you have some more shelving space there. And you do have this walkway here that leads you into the formal dining room, easy to serve any guests and family members. And right in between, you do have your pantry with an abundance of shelving space for your goods. A big sink, and we are again in the Jubilee community, which they really prioritize health and wellness. So you do have a water softener system included in the home. Imagine this being your view while you're cooking for your family. You're gonna have this bay window design along the back side of the wall, flooding this living room with natural light, also making the space feel very inviting and open. Such a breathability here. And a 2-story fireplace there, gas log fireplace with that stone tile going all the way up to the ceiling. You have a wall niche here, gives you access to the gas line into the fireplace, and you can add some custom cabinets here as well. Books, family portraits to add there. And you do have a small breakfast area along here with even more windows. Before we go this way, let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. I actually haven't checked that out yet, so this will be both mine and your first impression of this bedroom. Immediately, very good size. You do have the bay window here design. Again, lots of natural light. Ceilings are a decent height as well, making the space feel open. Let's check out the bathroom. Immediately before even walking in, I love this stone tile design. Let's see, you're getting dual sinks. One thing that stands out immediately is the size of this soaking tub. It's absolutely massive. Another standout feature right behind it is kind of this sitting area, which is super unique with that tile backsplash. Again, those sleek cabinets are found here in the dual sinks and a blurred picture window. Now, very quickly, you do have a medicine cabinet, which is something you don't see very often. And why I find this a good feature is that it allows you to keep your vanity clean and decluttered. And take a look at this, just as big as that soaking tub, you have a massive stand-up shower there with 2 shower heads. So for those couples that like showering together, this would be ideal. You guys won't have to be fighting over the temperature water. And at the very end, let's see what we have here. Kind of like some towel storage. You have one of your closets here, really making good use of that height here. They give you place to hang your clothes all the way up to the ceilings. I can't even reach that. And here you have your water room. And over here you do have your second closet, again with those high ceilings. And it wraps around, giving you, oh my God, look at this. I did not even know this existed. Man, they just really used good space of this. And here you can really see where the 4,800 square feet comes from, because I was not expecting that. Now let's go ahead and move on to the other side of the property so we can finish the first story and then go up to the second story, because you guys are gonna wanna see the size of your game room upstairs. Now here we have your utility room with access to your 3-car garage, ladies and gentlemen, your breaker panel, and 2 tankless water heaters. Another shelving space there. And now this is your second bedroom downstairs. I can't believe if I went over the details, but this home is a 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathroom house going for $790,000. And on my channel, I do have another video of the same builder in the same community, just a couple blocks down, at a $500,000 price range. And stepping outside to the covered back patio, it is very big. One thing not every builder has is your included sprinklers and gutters on all 4 sides of your house. Take a look at your massive backyard, guys. They are still building a lot of homes in this community. So if you hear some noise, it's just the construction going on. Take a look at the back side of this house. It's literally filled with windows everywhere. Now, while we make our way up there, one of the most common complaints I receive is the size of the secondary bedrooms. And I understand why. Most of them are 11 by 11, some are 11 by 12, some come as little as 10 by 10. But this property goes ahead and solves that issue. Let me show you why with these secondary bedrooms. Let's go ahead and begin here. We have your third one, very good size. This is the one that we saw had that jasmine balcony up in the exterior of the house. Here is the closet, right next to a full bathroom here. And I love that marble peel tile on the floor. I'm always a fan of that. But these 2 bedrooms is really where you can see what I'm talking about, because take a look at this, guys. This is the size of some people's primaries. And not only do you get a big bedroom, but on top of that, it is an ensuite with this tub and shower combo. And I love that the sleek cabinets go all throughout this property. That was bedroom number 4. Last but not least, we have bedroom number 5 here, guys. You can see this one also being an ensuite. Take a look at that. Currently, those lights don't have light bulbs, so that's why it's a bit dim in here, but that'll be fixed whenever we close on your home. Now, for what I've been waiting for, and you guys have been anticipating, is the size of this game room. Take a look at this, guys. It's bigger than my whole house. You get 2 picture windows. Of course, you're gonna have lots of natural light in a game room this big. You have a small pantry here for anything you may need. You can convert this into a home theater, a lounge area, a collector's room. You can do so many things with this. And off to the side, it gets even better because you have this private, secluded area. Now, this is really what I imagine as a home theater. It feels very secluded. You can go ahead and add some curtain there to go ahead and block that natural light coming in. Guys, that wraps it up for this full tour of this beautiful home. I hope you did enjoy. It kind of felt like this commentary was a bit different from my usual, so I hope that nonetheless you did enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to schedule a private tour or want more information, you know it's found in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.